this video, I am going to explain how to draw ogive, less than ogive and more than ogive. Ogive and cumulative frequency curve are one and the same thing. So I am going to explain how to draw cumulative frequency curve. Now the question is, the following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. Daily income in rupees: 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Number of workers: 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Convert the distribution above to less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw ogive. First you will write CI means class intervals: 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Then write frequency: 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Now less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, less than 200. Write cumulative frequency here. So less than 120, frequency is 12. Less than 140, it is 26. You add 12 with 14. Less than 160, it is 34. You add 26 and 8. Less than 180, it is 40. You add 34 and 6. Less than 200, it is 50. Add 40 with 10. So here you will write cumulative frequency. So to draw the graph for less than type, to draw the ogive for less than type, you will take the coordinates 120 and 12, 140 and 26, 160 and 34, 180 and 40, 250. On x-axis, you will write the lower limit. On y-axis, you will write the cumulative frequency. Now I will represent cumulative frequency distribution graphically. Now the coordinates we have are 120 and 12, 140 and 26, 160 and 34, 180, 40, 250. And their corresponding cumulative frequency on the vertical axis, that is on y-axis. I'll start with the lower limit 100. So mark 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200 on x-axis. We will mark cumulative frequency on y-axis. I'll choose the convenient scale. The scale may not be same on both the axes. So I'll take the difference of 5 on y-axis. So write 5, 10, 15, 20, so on y-axis. Now I'll plot the points. 120 and 12 will come here. 140 and 26 will come here. 160 and 34 will come here. 180 and 40 and 250. Join them with freehand. The curve we get is called cumulative frequency curve or less than type ogive. Now the question is, during the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weight were recorded as follows. Weight in kg: less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50, less than 52. Number of students: 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32 and 35. Draw less than type ogive for the given data, hence obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the results using the formula. So you have to answer 3 questions here. First, you have to draw the ogive, less than type. Second, you have to find the median weight from the graph. Third, you have to verify the result using the formula. Its solution is, in order to draw the less than type ogive, you have the coordinates 38 and 0, 40 and 3, 42 and 5, 44 and 9, 46 and 14, 48 and 28, 50 and 32, 52 and 35. Now I'll draw less than type ogive and then we'll explain how to find the median weight from the graph. Now the coordinates are 38 0, 43, 42 5, 44 9, 46 14, 48 28, 50 32, 52 35. Now draw x-axis and y-axis. So it 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52 on x-axis. Now plot cumulative frequency on y-axis. I'll take the difference of 2. You can also take the difference of 5. So write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 on y-axis. Now plot the points. 38, 0 will come here. Now this point is 40 and 3. This point is 42 and 5. This point is 44 and 9. This point is 46 and 14. 48 and 28. For 50 and 32. 52 and 34. Join with freehand. This is ogive, less than type ogive. Now I'll explain how to find median from this graph. Now n is 35. N by 2 means 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. Locate 17.5 on y-axis. From this point, draw a line parallel to x-axis. Now it will cut the curve at a point. From this point, draw perpendicular to x-axis. The point of intersection of the perpendicular with the x-axis is the median of the data. I'll explain it again. The point of intersection of the perpendicular with x-axis is the median. Now in this case, median is 46.5. Now I'll verify the result by using formula. For that I'll write class intervals and frequency. Now class intervals 36 to 38, 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, 50 to 52. Now cumulative frequency is given to us 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32 and 35. From this cumulative frequency, I'll write frequency. Frequency, first frequency is 0. Next will be 3 minus 0, 3. Next will be 5 minus 3, 2. Next will be 9 minus 5, 4. Next 14 minus 9, 5. 28 minus 14, 14. 32 minus 28, 4. 35 minus 32, 3. Now here n is 35. N by 2 is 35 by 2 means 17.5. The number which is greater than 17.5 in cumulative frequency is 28. So I am going to underline this. Now 46 to 48 is the median class. Now here L is 46, H is 2, F is 14 and CF is 14. Now write the formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So just substitute the values. So instead of L, you will write 46 plus 17.5 minus 14 upon 14 into 2. That is equal to 46 plus 3.5 upon 14 into 2. Cut the numbers. I'll have 46 plus 0.5. This is equal to 46.5. So I have seen graphically median is 46.5 and by formula it is again 46.5. So I have verified the result. Now the next question is, the following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. Production yield in kilogram per hectare. 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. Number of farms 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 16. Change the distribution to more than type distribution and draw its ogive. Now its solution is, first write class intervals 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80. Write frequency 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 16. Write more than type. More than 50, frequency is 100. You have to add all the frequencies. More than 50, so frequency is 100. More than 55, you are to add remaining frequencies. That means if you subtract 2 from 100, you will get 98. So frequency is 98, 100 minus 2. More than 60, 90, 98 minus 8. More than 65, 78, 90 minus 12. More than 70, 54, 78 minus 24. More than 75, it is 16, 54 minus 38. So in order to draw the graph more than type, you will take the coordinates 50 and 100, 55 and 98, 60 and 90, 65 and 78, 70 and 54, 75 and 16. Now the coordinates are 50 and 100, 55 and 98, 60 and 90, 65 and 78, 70 and 54, 75 and 16. Now we'll draw x-axis and y. So that is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and 80. On y-axis we will write cumulative frequency. We will take the difference of 10. So write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now plot the points. The point 50 and 100 will come here, and this is a point of 55 and 98. This is a point of 60 and 90, 65 and 78. This is a point of 70, 54, 75 and 16 will come here, and this is a point 80 and 0. Now join with freehand, and this is a more than type ogive. Now the next question is, the annual profits earned by 30 shops of a shopping complex in a locality give rise to the following distribution. Profit in lakhs, number of shops. More than or equal to 5, 30 shops. More than equal to 10, 28 shops. More than equal to 15, 16. More than equal to 20, 14. More than equal to 25, 10. More than equal to 30, 7. More than equal to 35, 3. We are to draw both ogives, less than and more than, for the data, and hence obtain the median profit. Now its solution is, for more than type ogive, we will take the coordinates 5, 30, 10, 28, 15, 16, 20, 14, 25, 10, 37, 35, 3. And for less than type ogive, we are supposed to find the classes, frequencies and the cumulative frequencies. Now I have written the question again. So now I'll convert it into classes and frequency and cumulative frequencies. Classes are 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Frequency. 5 to 10, frequency is 30 minus 28, you will get 2. Next frequency will come 28 minus 16 is 12. Next 16 minus 14 is 2. 14 minus 10 is 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 3 minus 0 is 3. So write cumulative frequency. In front of 2 you write 2. 2 add with 12 you will get 14. Next cumulative frequency is 14 add with 2 you will get 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. So cumulative frequency is 2, 14, 16, 20, 23, 27 and 30. Now draw less than type ogive. For that you have to write profit in lakhs less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40. Less than 10, Number of shops is 2. Less than 15, it is 14. Less than 20, it is 16. Less than 25, it is 20. Less than 30, it is 23. Less than 35, it is 27. Less than 40, it is 30. So the coordinates are 10, 2, 15, 14, 20, 16, 25, 10, 20, 30, 23, 35, 27, 40 and 30. You have to plot these points on a graph. For more than type Ujjayi, we plot the following coordinates: 5, 30, 10, 28, 15, 16, 20, 14, 25, 10, 37, 35, 3. And for less than type Ujjayi, we plot the following coordinates: 10, 2, 15, 14, 20, 16, 25, 20, 30, 23, 35, 27, 40 and 30. Now draw x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, we will write profit in lakhs. So write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. On y-axis, write cumulative frequency. Take the difference of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. Now plot 5 and 30. It will come here. 10 and 28 will come here. 15 and 16 will come here. Now write 20 and 14. This point is 25 and 10. And this point is 30 and 7. And this point is 35 and 3. Now join this with freehand. Now take the points 10 and 2. It will come here. 15 and 14. And this point is 20 and 16. This point is 25 and 20. This is 30 and 23. This is 35 and 27. And this is 40 and 30. Join this with freehand. And they both will intersect at a point. Draw perpendicular from that point on x-axis. That perpendicular will meet the x-axis at a point which is 17.5. And that 17.5 is the median. So median is 17.5.